how to contact Tripadvisor or how to contact a support team on Tripadvisor. In order to contact a support team on Tripadvisor, first of all, you need to check your internet connection and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, in the bottom right corner, click on account, and this is going to take you to the account info page. So under it, there are multiple menus. So from the list, you need to go on, tap on support. This is going to take you to the support center page where you'll be able to see multiple options such as help center, app, feedback, and all that. If you want to go on with the support center, then you need to tap on help center. So this is going to direct you to the help center. So over here you are provided with two different options, that is whether you are a traveler or whether you are a business owner that has registered on this following application. Now for example, if you're a traveler, then you can see under it there is search box as well, so you need to select for the topic. So here you can see there are multiple options, so click on report a problem, and here you'll be able to see article as well on how you can actually report. So this is basically how you can do it. And apart from that, if you are a business owner, then what you need to do is go to support once again, tap on help center, and after that it's going to take you for business owner. Then this is going to take you to the info page, and once again here you need to select all of these information. Do the same procedure as you've done for the traveler. All you have to do is just provide in some other details, and that is basically how you can contact a support team. So in this way you can contact a support team on Tripadvisor. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So in this way you can contact a Tripadvisor. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.